Hello viewer, thank you very much for watching GIPSTE TV. Today's video is about those who are looking for a new way to come out with their theoretical framework for their research project. Okay, so if you are struggling about the type of theoretical framework that you want to use for your research, then this particular video is for you. Okay, there is a special command you need to put into the AI system before it will come out to the appropriate theoretical framework that you are looking for. So I'm going to show you the right command to put into the AI platform that I'm about to walk into. It's going to be very easy one, okay? So let me quickly share my screen to this particular special command. Okay, so now on my screen, you can see the Word document right here that is written, command to use to create public policy theoretical framework. So assuming you are doing a public policy study or you are doing a type of study, okay, all you need to do is to put in the field name, okay, together with that of the theoretical framework that you are looking for. And it's a general theoretical framework that you are looking to suit your study, then there's no need to qualify, just put in theoretical framework. How do you put the command? Okay, when you are about to use the AI platform. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, you need this action word suggest. Then you key in the concept is theoretical framework. Then the title of your project. So if you want to add, okay, other prompt like or command like provide citation and reference, you need to also add those things as well. Okay, so specifically, if I want to create a public policy theoretical framework for my study, this is how I'm going to write it. Suggest public policy theoretical framework. Then I put in my title. So this is an example that I'm going to use. So it reads, if you look at here, suggest is in red, then public policy theoretical framework is right there. Then the title, okay, of my study is going to be the impact of education on economic growth in Ghana. Then I want citations and references in APA star as well. Okay, so I'll add that command. So I'm going to copy this, particular information. Then I'll open my tab. Okay. Then I'll open my chat GPT. Once I open my chat GPT, I open the interface. So once I open the interface, all I need to do is to type in the full command. I've already copied. All I need to do is to paste it right here, then hit enter. You'll see that it has suggested. So let me read. One public policy theoretical framework that could be used to analyze the impact of education on economic growth in Ghana is the human capital theory. And this theory posits that investment in education and training leads to an increase in human capital, which in turn contributes to economic growth and development. It has given me an inter-citation, and it's go further to also talk a little bit, okay? Another relevant theory is the structural functional theory, okay? Then it's further also look into the political economy theory, okay? Then series of citations. So you go through the discussion, then you select, okay, the one that you think you want to use for what? The discussion. So I will go by the human capital development. Okay, so if you want to go by the human capital development, then you are going to look through the various components of how you need to create the theoretical framework to fit into the, what do you call it, your study based on the structure for your department or your school, okay, how they wanted to organize that particular chapter. But this particular tool is going to help you to do that. So all you need to do is key in that. So if you want to have a specific theoretical framework, you can also, without not qualifying it, you take away the public policy and just make sure that it just suggests a theoretical framework for the impact of education. That's also going to help you to know the theory to outside that of the one that was in the domain of public policy. So here is also another theoretical framework that could be utilized to examine the impact of education economic growth is the investment in education theory. So the other theories too that you can also explore. And it's also going to still suggest those that was suggested for you in your first discussion. And also modernization theory too are also suggested as well. So all this too is going to help you to organize this particular thought. So if you want to go deeper into the structure of these theoretical framework, then you have to put in specific title per structure. So if you want study that have utilized the framework, you can also talk about it. Let's say human capital theory. So you can also give a prompt, suggest empirical studies that have used human capital theory. We see that a lot of studies will come out, and you're able to use that session to discuss the area in the theoretical period that talked about how other studies have utilized the theory to explain similar concepts. And you can also talk about ask how does the human capital theory relates to public policy. And this is also going to help you to know the relevance of the theory to public policy. So this is help you to also organize the discussion for that. So these two will just help you to know what to do and how to organize your thought process for the various components of the theoretical framework chapter that you need to create for your research. Thank you very much for watching GIPSTE TV, and this is what I have for you, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.